Number 19. Keenan made 32 cups of vegetable broth. Okay, so this is the total vegetable broth, 32 cups he has made. Keenan filled them. Now he has made 32 cups of vegetable broth. Now he is going to fill them in some small jars and some large jars. So small jars are X small jars, and large jars are Y. Okay, so that is the total information with the vegetable broth he made. So he has made 32 cups. Now he has to fill some small jars and some large jars out of that. Okay, the equation 3x plus 5y is equal to 32. So because small jars are x, so 3x represents the total number of small jars of vegetable broth, or total number of small cups of vegetable broth. And 5y, because y represents the large jars, so 5y represents the total number of large cups of vegetable broth, right? So then total number of cups is 32, which is given here. So x are small jars, so 3x will be the total number of small cups of vegetable broth. I am just saying it again so that you can see the difference between cups and the jars. Okay, now let's see what the question is. What is the best interpretation of 5y in this contest? The number of large jars Keenan filled. Large jars. Okay, let's see. Is it jars? The total number of small jars Keenan filled. Definitely small is not there because information is asked about 5y, not x, and small jars are x. So this is deleted. Now total number of cups of vegetable broth in the large jars. Yes. This question is specifically about how you differentiate between the cups and the jars. So x small jars, but 3x is total number of small cups. Similarly, y are the large jars and 5y is the total number of cups of uh, larger jars, right? So the total number of cups of vegetable broth in large jars. So we have to understand jars and cups. So according to that concept, C is the right option.